nakio inara ndeni ya bunge na arende kwithiritwe kwina kuye ngukuye na narende kwithiritwe kinambere kwigwa ndetu ikimu munga wa minister wa ngenda kwinambere kwigwa kiregagirwa kutarwa kana kwinambere kwa kinekerwa kanyaka nontu bamiario ira ethiritwe kinambere kwigwa akiaragia ikoneni na mantu ma gender. Gatu inambere kwa tukirithagiria gaka imantu maista baraba kwenda kuruma masimongo baraba kwenda kuruma into kagita kaka Easter ima advert mare agawona wagoranga theti no kainambere kwa kionaga imaguta mariko gatumira kuruga mburi yaku na mantu maramangi monde. Tukiambiria tu kuraitha karatati yaka karangatheti ino ya The Daily Nation murithiri wa Meru TV karatati ni yaka mbere bururu nongo kwiraga mantu makona ugima metheru tumakina mbere kwa makiaragirwa poor Kenyans got 294,000 for kidney which was then sold for 3.2 million kwina mtu atheretu akiendia mpigo yake ya shilingi ngiri magana mairi mirongo kenda na inya mpigo ra yetheretu kina mbere kwa wekenda gwa shilingi milioni 3 kathanta chire. Inonto kuona gago kire kiongo kinene kiangatheti ino kinenkanirite afya house chiefs doctors organ trafficking dossier yani ngwataniro yetheretwe kinambere kwekionekanaga ya kuijira kana kwendia igicunche bya mwiri kiri babarungamirite mantu mama maugima. A member of government team that investigated suspiciously kidney transplant Eldoret Medical Hospital has essentially claimed that the final report was altered, exclude remanding finding, deepening the controversy surrounding a scandal that put the lives of many Kenyans in grave danger. Who was behind this interference and for what reasons? Kiureke kuruaga umurithiro Meru TV ni ikinontu atongolekana ikinontu ukainambira kwa kwina ngwatano teno ya gutigira ati chunche bya mwiri bikwinambira kwa weekend na weekend buru nende burabo wekira kironda chumbi burabo kuthukia buru igutwika beyire kwinambira kwa weekend kanagirwa na ogu teo yetheretwe kinambira kwa weekend thero nchere tukiumira na rora chibitari ni adult murithiro Meru TV ro tukarwithira karatati ni gatuthatu ndeni ya ngatheti ino muretheria mwende. Ingwana inside the radical change to school exams kwena bill ya MBA kwa mantu makoneni na kigerio a new bill the Kenya National Education Assessment Council that is to be presented to Parliament soon propose a radical change in the management and administration of national examination and assessment as the country continues to implement the new competence based curriculum kwena bill ino kweregero kwena mbere kwa gikindagwa na ara bunge kwa mantu makoneni na igeri na muno mantu mama kithomo kagitani karatu thire tukinambere kwa tukithungagira kire mutaratara wa CBC muthenya wegoro itwathie na mbere kwa tukiriragiria tukona kwina kaurigichanu kidogo kana kwina kirigichano kinini kithiretwe kinambere kwa kionekanaga ndeni ya ruterwa kithomo nuntumi baraba ethire tubakinambere kwa bakithungagira cukuru ndeni ya mutaratara wa CBC bagukinya ere kugeria form 4 na ende nontu bakugeria ri thirikari yebanga-banganĩtie ata gũtigĩra ati ana baba kwinambere kwa bakithiaga ma university ana baba kwinambere kwa bakithiaga ma college ikiririkana wati mathomo mama metheretwo mareaga tita mama metheretwo marea nyumani so thirikari yetheretwo kinambere kwa kiuru kwibanga bukatha gũtigĩra ati kithomo gikwiwe kithia na mbere bora gukubatra that we know wajochi the tukinambere kwekiaragerwa gago it's end of an era as authorities must to shut children's homes about 1,000 children homes will be seized to exist following and owned by the state that explores new ways of care for this vulnerable group. The government, through the National Council of Children Serving, introduced reforms that seek to introduce family and community-based care. Kenya Children Protection says the terms as relied heavily on residential institutions care, commonly known as children homes, for many years. National Council of Children Service Chief Executive Officer Adon Ahmed has urged players in the children welfare space to embrace the shift. Mr. Mohammed said the move would help reorganize operations by pursuing the residential facilities that resources to one supporting the care of children with families and communities. Research shows that institutions care has long-term negative effect on children. Family and community-based care leads to better outcome, he said in letter. There is address to Country Commission, Regional Children Coordinators, Regional Social Development Coordinators, Council, and county officers. Yeah, mantu mama kwa lelwa muretheire kiwi gicunku ndarieku gwitwa gicunku eku mantu mama kwa lelwa mantu makonenie na ana na ara na bathia na mbere kwigwa bakigawa na ara children's homes na ara ndi thirikari yithiritwe kina mbere kwa kinyagiria muno gutigira ati guko ina mbere kwa gwikira wabukara muno na children's home kwithiritwe kwina ndetu ati kaingi na kaingi kinyoa tuika kwina organs imwe kana kwina ntu bamwe baigite ana bakiba menyagira no indi at the same time ana baba tire tu bakinambere kwa bakiwa ataga kere ko bataro batire tu bakinambere kwa baikaraga bwao ko batwa kurabwa kana mantu mange tamara na ikyo indi kwethire tu kinambere kwegwa okerekana children's home kana thirikari thinambere kwekimenya bora na baba karabwega na imweche children's homes yetuika ikainambere kwegwa kingawa amena effect receiving a dose of ARV drugs at children's homes in Nairobi. The government says it will strengthen families to provide safe nurturing care to vulnerable children. Yeah, thirikari ni thiritwe kinambere kwekinyiri na kugati egatigira ati ni kuthi nambere kwegwa ikinenkanagira ukaribwega kana kithi nambere kwegwa gitigagira ati ana baba iba kwe nambere kwegwa bayekaraga bwega karatati ni gatuthatu ndeni ngatheti ino murithire wa Meru TV ankwana rugono rwa SHA battles front systematic challenges over 21 million registers. Yeah, SHA nwethite nambere kwegwa kireta thina SHA nwethite nambere kwegwa ina thina ikimumungawa na arendi nkuona mutaratara uyu kwenda ntu bethe tubakinambere kwegwa bado bataomba gu access mutaratara uyu no rira thirikari yethiritwe kinambere kwekinyire na kugati ni kungangana gutigira ati bakagirithia SHA na etwike ni utumika bwega turoni mutongore wa mugongo President William Samoei Ruto akinambere kwegwa kithetera mutaratara kana kithetera SHA na kugati mutaratara uyu wisasawa gatethi ni weno kana karatati waka tuthatu eno wako kena rugono rwa afya house bosses doctors made hill organs trafficking dossier. Yeah, member of a probe team tells the nation that he and two colleagues were instructed to redact the final document to save hospital. Yeah, a member of government team that investigated suspicious kidney transplant at medical hospital as sensationally claimed that the final report was doctor to exclude demanding finding, deepening controversy surrounding alleged organ trafficking. The report by the 12-member team flagged suspiciously activity for trafficking, identifying one individual whose name appeared repeatedly as next of kin in multiple files for both fallen recipients and kidney donors. However, the report notes that there is no sufficient evidence to support trafficking claims, instead commending further investigations after reviewing a code of 372 kidney transplant conducted at Medical Fertility and Transplant Center since 2018. That ino chithiritu kinambere kwi wikiumagira na rora entere chia Eldoret wa Singishu County murithire wa Meru TV na ara kwithiritwo kimumungu ati kwewetwo kwina wamba kana ntibwita wamba sache ikwithiritwo kwina biashara ya kwendi ichunche bia mwiri yani ichunche bia ndeni mpigo tutaibu na ara kwerekana ndeto eno ya thie nambere kwegwa ikiambagire kuma mwankani wa 2018 gukirekana kuma kagitania ka mpigo 372 nchithiritwo kinambere kwegwa iki endagwa ndiko miaka kwe mtu ena namba ya baba kuenderwa kindi nino no wando kuona ntu ni no bena tunyamu twagota kwerewa kwa wi mpigo barire mpigo cio nthe mwiri utie mtu tigeri mpigo Wani wagintigeria mpigo chire kanende bondi bendirie kuringana na achunkuni bara bethiritwe bakinambere kwigwa bagichunkuna kare antu 12 kana timu ya antu 12 bethiritwe bakinambere kwigwa bakinenkanagira ndetu na kuinambere kwigwa bakiuga ati kwina barwa chile tukinambere kwigwa ikithaitha nawe gutigira ati tikumenyekana bongwa bara bethiritwe bakinambere kwa bakiringithikaga imwe kwa imwe kumania na untu bobo naga kurira ati muraithiria kagita karandero teno chinambere kwa wikiumagira umenye ati kwina mtu munene tu thirikari ninu ethiritwe akinambere kwigwa akithaga yani akirugamaga agu mwanyani kwi mtu arugamite mwanyani gutigira ati ndetu initi nambere kwa wikiumbukaga bwega Dr. Philip Cheptanga nephrologist babai baba thia nambere kwa bakiritha mantu mako nene na irungo bya mwire bya na undeni the care representative committee appointed act KBTTT CEO Dr. Morris Wakabubi alleged cover up baba bairi bethiritwe bakinambere kwigwa bakirikanaga ibethiritwe bagi cover up kana bakinambere kwigwa bakithaithania ndeto ino tikainambere kwigwa ikimenyekanaga bwega lakini ibo mantu bethiritwe maikaraga ugu baraba kwendia mpigo ngitiye kana kwena brokers na onu ntu kwena mwana ndairo akiwa na kwenda kinyawe kwendia kiara tiye kana no no kwendo biara bya kuguru utie na maana wakara na biara 10 na ukire ya gathina anyway karatati nigetuna ndeni ngathiti no murithiria kareareria mantu ma keep off military Ruto tells politicians mutongore wa mugongo President William Samoei Ruto muthenya wegoro na thia nambere kwigwa akidefendaga military kumania na ndeture chiethiritwe kinambere kwigwa igitambaga muno na ara chiethiritwe kinambere kwigwa ikagiro muno mantu makoneni na KDF na ara ende President Ruto athia nambere kwigwa kiruta mukana kiri siasa kana kiri atongore bagi siasa na kinya atongore barabange barabethiritwe bakinambere kwa bakidrag military ndeni ya siasa bakiaragia mantu matagirite rais ugite kurubetu rais no ugite our military men and women are the anchors of stability and development. I wish to urge politicians and other leaders to keep matters of military out of random talk. Rais yoyo kuga unda tuini rais yarititinio ethiritwe kuga jeshi yetu kana military yetu antu arume betu na ekuru betu ba jeshi ibo bethiritwe bakinambere kwa bari kiginagina kio thina mbere bwetu na ara kuromba asiasa na tongore barabangi barekana na kuinambere kwigwa baikuyagia jeshi kirisiasa itare araide arara gendetu ino na ara ntere chela net military academy na Nakuru County na ara ara Vietnam kwegwa aki kagwa waride president of the commissioning parade of general service officers cadet ndetu akinambira kwegwa kagwa warinde no na akithinambira kwegwa ki aragiria askari kana jeshi baba. He said the military was a political duty burden to defend the constitution and ensure peace and stability in the country. Mantumari tiati mantu makone na jeshi na arethiritwe kinambere kwewa kiwa jeshi niyo yethiritwe kinambere kwewa gikaria nthiguru yetu na kwa unerekanwa niyo miethi nambere kwewa igikagirwa mantu ma siasa. Gaundu na kwina advert iri agaugo na inkuona karatatini akagatuna murithire wa Meru TV wona wagora gatheti ino kainambere kwegukiona ndetu ino chionde karatatini gatutano we will deal firmly decisively with leaders radicalizing student mutongoro mugongo athiritwe kinambere kwa kiuga bakainambere kwigwa bakindiraga buka thana tongore baraba athiritwe bakinambere kwigwa bagitumagira aritwa kuthinambere kwigwa baki kinyithanagia mabataro mago. President William Ruto kagiga iri nethiritwe kinambere kwigwa kiaragiria mantuma muchetho wa Echoes of War play muthenya wegoro na arathie nambere mbere kwigwa kiuga thirikari ikaina mbere kwigwa ikirugamaga ucigi kuona ati ana batina mbere kwigwa bagikagirwa mathugani matagirite seeking to corrupt the minds of children mathugani ngukumo mathugani matagirite twakiuga kaina mbere kwigwa agitigagira ati thirikari yake tina mbere kwigwa kana thirikari yake kaina mbere kwigwa gitigagira ati ana batina mbere kwa bagikagirwa mantu matagirite biongoni biao na arethere twakina mbere kwa kiruta mukana umurito kiri athere twakina mbere kwa kiruta mukana umurito kiri siasa baraba athere twakina mbere kwigwa bakirutha untu it give the warning while hosting the winners of 2025 Kenya National Drama and Film Festival at State House Nakuru araragithituna Nakuru the president indirectly unleashed echoes of war, a play that was not staged at this year's Kenya National Drama and Film Festival despite qualifying. The play was written by the former Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala. Athere twakeragira ngume ibu tukumi athetino chia Butere Girls murithiri wa Meru TV na arabathi na mbere kwa bakiragirwa kuonania muchetho uyu wa Echoes of War na athere twakina mbere kwa kuruta mukana umurito. White House team wants president to assign PS nominee a different docket. National Assembly Committee wants President William Ruto to reassign Principal Secretary nominee Mr. Stephen Isaboke, another state department other than be the Broadcasting and Communication, for which he was vetted for, citing his potential conflict of interest. In a report of House, in the report to the House, the Communication, Information and Innovation Committee chaired by Dagoretti Southern MP John Kiari want Mr. Isaboke appointment approved subject to the condition that has been reassigned. The committee made the recommendation after considering a memorandum by the Public Investment Committee on Social Service, Administration and Agriculture, chaired by Navoko MP Emmanuel Wangwe, which raised the conflict of interest issues that it is linked Mr. Isaboke to part ownership of GoTV African Limited. Bunge nithiritwe kinambere kwiwe kiuri kinuntu Principal Secretary orethiritwe kinambere kwiwe gitarwa nditerwa Broadcasting na Telecommunication Stephen Isaboke ethiritwe kinambere kwa kirutwa kidoketirari kunitwa kiridoketino kuringana na riboti ire yithiritwe kionekana ilionekania ati Isaboke na ethiritwe kinambere kwiwa akiringithanagwa na imwe chimantu makiinde Gold TV Africa Limited na ara kwirikana kombe kokegwa ni interest chiake kiumbe ethiritwe kinambere kwa gikagirwa murithiro Meru TV kwina mantu muthenya wa guritronia hii Citizen niyo braye ethiritwe kinambere kwa kiringithanagwa na kuigira akenya baingi tunyamu twago tuthi nambere na kuraitha mama ekiritwe ngathitini karatatini gatuna nane Koril Nkwanaga Koril Ntutu accused of conning SGL land owners out of 2.7 billion. Koril Ntutu bethe tubakinambere kwa bakimanagiro ntu bakuya either kana ara SGL mugana wa chiringi million chirika thanta muwanja. Senior state officials including Principal Secretary and an MP have been sued for alleged abusing of 2.7 billion meant for the compensation of those evicted to pave the way for construction of a standard gauge railway terminus. Bairi baririkana kuinambere kwego bakiri ya mbecha kuria mbecha ira ciathie nambere kwikirutawa cha compensate bara ithakabio biathie nambere kwegwa biki tumikaga nkari no ya mwanki kuthi nambere kwe na bathi nambere kwegwa bakiruthagata bai nambere kwegwa bakiriyaga ithaka bebe bwega kwina ndeto tukathumba murithiri wa Meru TV ra chithiritwe kinambere kwegwa irindeni ya ngathitino na nkona ibwega tukainambere kwegwa kana thirikari yetu ikainambere kwegwa gitigagira kinya wegwa ni kurumaruma gantu ni gutigira atikinya baraba ngi kana mwingi baba thie na mbere kwa bakiringa kura iba kuthi na mbere kwigwa bena agantu ga gukenera wagura ngathiti no murithirio kai na mbere kwa kiona ndetu ino chionde ira chithire tuki na mbere kwigwa iyekagirwa ndeni ya ngathiti no karata ngathiti ya The Standard bado ngono ire kungono watino ingi chiri ndeni ya karatati kakangi kwa gwibwego kai na mbere kwigwa ukiguraga ngathiti ino ukai na mbere kwigwa ukithomaga bira biekiritwe ndeni agakinya gukwina mantu makona mirire baraba kwenda kurumagantu east eno ukaina mbere kwigwa kionaga imirire ri kumiega kare kukanyamuga kuruma kega kengo uthina mbere kwigwa ikaraga bwega kagitani gaka kathigu nkuya east kagita kage tugatene tio twariaga mbobua maura ria tukuria sherere kwina sherere twaria indo ta mbobua maura nkuyu into bira biritarito kana thaino nkona antu bakire migate nyama ngambi nyama ira twariaga tio imite twathia tukatema tukatherukia tukambiria kure anyway kandi na mbere kwa nkirekagiria ukire mara methiritwe mari kiritwe rito ndeni ngathiti lakini tukathi kuraya no tukagita gate kuraya nkai na mbere kwa ngichokagira twina mbere kwa tukiragiria mantu makonenie na mwerekera umugongo ukuri kwa Meru TV thina mbere ukarakio nini ya TV yako. Good morning.